Ever imagine what it feels like to live in a city of cultured vultures, filled with castles, caves, universities, and the home of Robin Hood, Nottingham? It feels like a dream come true. Well, let's find out. Let's introduce you to Archer House, a perfect place to start your academic journey in Nottingham. Nestled in the heart of the city, this student accommodation offers an array of studios and en-suite rooms. All are furnished and designed to meet the ultimate comfort and luxury. Each bedroom greets you with a cozy bed, a study area, a wardrobe, high-speed Wi-Fi, a large window to drench it all in sunlight, and an en-suite modern-style bathroom. The kitchen comes fully equipped, perfect to make cooking the best part of your day. All utilities are covered by the rent, so no worries about extra expenses. The social events calendar and the lounge filled with laughs and memories are what you are gonna love the most. Speaking of the location, it has everything close enough to walk to. In a few minutes, you can reach the Confetti Institute of Creative Technologies. Nottingham Trent International College is also not far at all. In a short stroll down the street, a paradise of restaurants, pubs, and bars welcomes you. Catch buses at your doorstep and explore the aesthetic city. Book your spot today at amberstudent.com and get ready to live your dream.